Sogang Korean 1A is one of my favorite textbooks to use in class. The reason I like this book is that it contains essential grammar and vocabulary appropriate for each level, while also presenting dialogues that are quite similar to real-life situations. In Sogang Korean 1A, there are two main books, the student book and the workbook. When you purchase the student book, it comes with a small grammar and vocabulary supplementary book. For the audio materials, the older version of the book provided a CD, but the newer edition now includes a QR code, which allows you to access the recordings more conveniently. The workbook also has an answer key at the end, which makes it easier for learners to check their own work. Let me show you how a typical chapter is organized. The first 2 pages begin with a focus section, which introduces grammar through dialogues, followed by a practice section and an activity section, where students can apply what they learned. Then, there is a 3-page dialogue that naturally incorporates the target grammar into conversation. After that, you'll find a task page and the reading and speaking section. Before reading, there are some pre-reading questions related to the passage to encourage discussion. Then, students read the passage itself, and afterward, they can solve exercises based on it. Once they finish the exercises, there's a free talking section for open conversation practice with classmates, as well as a writing section to reinforce what they've learned. There is also a listening and speaking section in each chapter. Before listening, there's a before listening page where students do some short free talking on the listening topic. Then they listen to the main passage, solve comprehension exercises, and afterward there are post-listening activities for more free talking practice. Finally, students write down what they said in the writing section. At the very end of the chapter, there is a summary page, which briefly reviews the grammar, vocabulary, and expressions learned in that unit.